Tomorrow marks 1 year since the Supreme Court decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. Federal abortion protections. More than a dozen states have since established near or total abortion bans. As Justin Finch reports tonight, abortion is shaping up to play a critical role in next year's presidential election.
Saturday will mark 1 year since the Supreme Court's 6-3 decision reversing Roe v. Wade federal abortion protections. Today, some 25 million women of childbearing age now live in states where abortions are now harder to get. In Washington, the president and vice president attending a reproductive rights event and earning early endorsements from pro-abortion access groups, including Planned Parenthood.
Americans would not stand by and let the court take away the right that's so fundamental. That we'd fight to restore these protections of Roe v. Wade and make it the law of the land once again, and we're going to do that.
Today, 20 Democratic-leaning states have protected abortion access, while more than a dozen Republican-led states have some kind of abortion restriction policies in place or pending, with 13 enacting near or total bans.
My understanding is babies deserve equal protection.
Last fall, an ABC News Washington Post poll found more than 60% of Americans polled opposed the court's decision. Former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi daring Republicans to take up legislation that would restore abortion protections.
Are they afraid of their constituents? They're going to have a lot more to fear in the next election.
Across the aisle, former Vice President and current Republican presidential candidate Mike Pence doubling down.
Every Republican candidate for president should support a ban on abortion before 15 weeks.
And Vice President Harris is set to observe 1 year since the Supreme Court's abortion decision with a major speech on reproductive rights in North Carolina. Justin Finch, ABC News, Washington.